Alright, hi traders. This is Banker First. So I had a beautiful trade on Nzdcad. Alright, this is Nzdcad and I'm able to catch this trade. That is a sell from Nzdcad. You can see clearly my supports, my resistance, trend line, everything. You can see them there. So let me explain how I was able to catch this nice beautiful trade here. Right, so first I move to my higher time frame to get the overall direction of the market. The higher time frame gives the overall direction of the market. So checking this market here, you can see that this market is on the downtrend, right? So this market is trending down. This is from the highest level to the bottom level. The market is trending down, creating a series of lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs, right? So once I know the overall direction of the market, I need to go with the wave of the market, right? So I need to also go in the direction of the market, which is sell. So then I move to my daily time frame. My daily time frame, I just mark my support and the resistance, right? I mark the support and the resistance in this section here. So if you check here, this level here is my support. All right, this level here, let me zoom it a little. So this level here is my support level, right? And the level here is also the very peak level here is also my resistance level. Okay, so once I'm able to get the support and the resistance level, I use the counter trend line, right? So we had a breakout from the counter trend line and a retest. So the market perhaps did something like we have a pull to this side, to this resistance level, then the market tends to respect this trend line. Then we had a complete breakout from the trend line, then we had a retest. After the retest, it's also a setup, which is also good to enter, but I missed that trade. So the market give us this sell, beautiful sell, and also came back for another retest again from the same level. So once the market was approaching this level, that is when I also waited. I wait for my my entry signals. So checking this one here, I move from the daily time frame to a 4-hour time frame. That is where I was able to wait for my candlestick confirmations, right? I was able to wait for my candlestick confirmations. So first I waited for the breakout from the trend line, which is the breakout from the trend line. Then we had a retest, right? Breakout, the retest. After the retest, this level is also a beautiful trade setup for entry, right? This level is also a beautiful trade setup for an entry, which is a retest level of the level of that level there, which you can also use it for also a setup. But I missed this section. I missed this whole trade here, so I waited for a pullback to the same level. So once the market gets to the same level, that is when I waited for my candlestick confirmations. That is when I waited for my candlestick confirmations, which if you are a good trader and you can see that there's going to be a reversal patterns here. These are reversal patterns here, right? We have a series of candlestick confirmations here, which those are my secret candlestick confirmations for my entry criteria. So I was able to enter this trade from exact this level. I was able to enter this trade from this level here and catch all these people up to here. Perhaps my final take profit is somewhere. My final take profit will be somewhere here because the market is already a downtrend. So this is another breakout and a retest. So the market is creating another retest here. So maybe from Monday going, I'll wait for another entry from this level here, right? So this is just a retest. Then we'll have our final move all the way to this level here, to this level there. So this is the simplest trade.